watch my special videos after this video. You go and watch it, okay? Okay.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Hello, Mr. Lion.
How do you know my name was Mr. Lion?
Because I missed you.
What are you looking at?
This have you seen?
What is that?
A mechanic set
What is a mechanic set? Where did you get this mechanic set?
for my birthday.
Okay. What is your name?
Nischay.
I should have asked that first, but I'm asking it now. Oh, you're Nischay from Kids of the Round Table.
Yeah.
I've seen your videos. They're very nice.
Thank you.
So what are you doing now?
I'm going to be building a flying car.
What is a flying car? Will it really fly?
Yeah.
Don't you need wires and engineers for all of that?
It won't actually fly. It's will move. That's all, and I will lift it up like that.
Oh, so it's a toy, huh?
Yeah, it's a toy.
Okay.
And I will show you how the moving parts are built.
Okay. I want to know. Even I have a set like this at home. I also want to build a flying car. This is not in the book, right?
Yeah, it's not in the book. It's a creative thing.
Okay. How do you make it?
It's moving. Yeah.
It is very funny. But can you please show me how to build it, please?
Yeah, I'll show you. Wait. Let me just put these back. Now I will be building it.
Okay.
First, we start with step 1.
What are the things you need for step 1?
We need this, this, and
Oh,
this.
what is that car? And who are those 3 teddy bears sitting over there?
This is Baby, this is Spider-Man, and this is Goose.
And what is this car?
Batman car.
Batman car? Is Batman in the car?
No, it's just a car.
Okay.
And it has a Batman symbol.
Oh, it's a toy car.
Yeah, it's a toy car.
Okay.
And no.
So, do you like Batman?
Yeah,
You like Batman?
yeah.
Even I like Batman.
I like Spider-Man.
Oh, you like Spider-Man and Batman?
Yeah,
You have a Batman toy and a Spider-Man toy also.
yeah.
Do you like dinosaurs? Because you are wearing a dinosaur shirt.
No, they're monsters.
Oh, they're monsters.
This monster is saying what's up.
Okay. So, can you show me how to make the car now?
Yeah. Finally. Step 1. There'll be headlights in this. Step 1. There'll be headlights in this. So I have to look at it. And I'm screwing.
What are you doing?
Screwing it in with a bolt and a screw.
Okay. Do you have a screwdriver then? Oh, okay. Please continue.
French. And now I will continue. Now I did this.
So you connected the yellow thing to the black thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that only step 1? Is it over? What is step 2?
No. We still have to complete step 1.
Oh, so you have to stick it to the other side also?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let me at least take this.
Are you done with step 1 now?
Yeah, I'm done with step 1. Now I'll show you step 2.
Okay.
But this thing keeps untightening. I don't know why.
Maybe you should use the wrench to hold it on the other side.
But I'm not a good both-hander because I'm a left-hander.
Oh, you're a left-hander?
Yeah, I'm a left.
That's why you're using your left hand right now.
Yeah, I'm doing my left hand right.
Okay.
Done. It's not moving like that.
Could you show it a bit closer? I want to see it. one came inside. No door opened at all.
See these parts? I forgot them.
Oh, what are
For
they?
headlights.
They are the headlights?
Yeah, they are the headlights. Let me check what they're called. And now it's time for the headlights. They're called TW1s.
Okay, what is a TW1?
These.
Oh, so those tiny black things are TW1s?
And there's something called rubber bushes.
Okay, and now you please continue.
Yeah, I'll continue now.
What is step 2?
Step 2 is adding the headlights.
Do you need the long screws or the short ones?
The short ones won't fit properly, so I need the long. This ball is in my way. There's only one headlight.
Only one headlight for a flying car? Will it have a headlight on top of its wings?
No.
Then it will be a wing light.
No, it's not the wing light.
Okay, so you are just going to stick this headlight.
Yeah, I'll stick it. You can say one rain now.
Okay, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, can you continue? We'll sing it together.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. That was a very nice rhyme. You can sing very beautifully.
Thank you.
So, what is step 2? Are you done with step 2?
No, I'm still completing step 2.
Okay.
See?
Oh, you're done with step 2. Can you show it a little closer? I couldn't see it.
It's almost done.
Can you show it? Oh, so you have to stick the big yellow thingy to the small red thingy?
No, not the small red thingy.
Why did you take the red thingy out?
Because the yellow matches with the black.
Oh, okay. Since it is Christmas Eve today, maybe we should sing a Christmas rhyme.
Yeah.
Do you know any?
Bells.
Okay, I know Jingle Bells. We'll sing Jingle Bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Yay! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming.
Santa Claus is coming tomorrow.
Yeah, no, he's coming today. Today is Christmas Eve.
He's coming today.
What do you want? What did you ask for Santa? Have you been good?
Yeah, I've been good.
Okay.
I want a space puzzle set.
A space puzzle set? Do you like space?
Yeah, I like space.
Oh, you like space. Do you know anything about black holes? Because in your space part 3 video, you were doing a funny black hole car thingy.
Yeah, I know the black holes suck things in.
It was very nice and funny. I liked it.
And did you know that I magically fly out of the power station?
Yeah, you flew out of the black hole.
Yeah.
You are fast. Like light, faster than light. Then only you got out of the black hole.
Yeah.
If you weren't fast as
Step 2
light.
is done.
Really? Show me.
Today we will end here because I am going to wait for Santa. Because I have to get milk and cookies for him.
Okay. For me? I like cookies.
For you and so I'll give you some.
Thank you.
Now we will at least continue step 3 and complete one part. We'll do the next step 3 in the next video. Bye bye. Merry Christmas. Bye, Lion.